Have you been looking for a quality-built home in a premier neighborhood on a large and level lot with lots of acreage? Look no further than 26 Coventry Road here in Atkinson, New Hampshire. Catherine Zerba, Keller Williams Realty. Let's go check it out. 26 Coventry Road is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath, single-family home with approximately 5,000 square feet. The home has dual staircases, a front-to-back living and dining room, as well as a home office with built-ins and French doors. The open-concept kitchen overlooks both a sunroom with a gas fireplace and a vaulted family room with a wood-burning fireplace. The windows from these rooms overlook the private and wooded backyard. And there's still more: a bonus room over the 3-car garage, a newer roof and septic system, and a vaulted ceiling primary bedroom with a renovated primary bath will be a pleasure to retreat to in the evening. Come and experience the feeling of quality in this home. Catherine Zerba, Keller Williams Realty. Contact me for a private appointment or check our social media for our public open house hours.